Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. So today I'll be talking about DermRays Revive skincare laser. If you've been following my channel, you might remember last time I reviewed DermRays laser hair removal device. It gave me amazing results. You may still go back to watch this video with the link above. And today I'll be talking about this technology, like how it works, my own results, and if this one is the right fit for you. So make sure you stick around, it's gonna be a good one. The DermRays Revive skincare laser is a professional grade device designed for at-home use. It's got advanced 1064 nanometer near-infrared laser technology to destroy melanin and accelerate skin renewal. It dives deeper into the skin, helping tackle things like fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, skin textures, and more. It's truly a multitasker. For me, with DermRays Revive, I've been focusing on some of the dark spots like recently developed on the cheeks and some of fine lines here and there, just overall my signs of aging. And honestly, this has been such a great addition to my current skincare routine. And I like that it's safe for all skin types and it's FDA-cleared, which gives me so much peace of mind. And I also like that this device is very compact and it's very easy to use. You know, as a busy working mom, it's just not so realistic for me to carve out some time out of my everyday busy schedule. I just can't keep up with my salon visits. So now I have this powerful little device at home. I can do my own laser treatments at home, which is a blessing. This is like a total lifesaver. Now let me walk you through how to use it. I promise it's actually not that complicated. First, make sure that your skin is clean and ready for the treatment. And then just turn the device on. Choose the intensity level that you are comfortable with. Next up, divide your face into 4 zones: forehead, cheeks, around the mouth. The treatment window has multiple sensors. Make sure you press the window firmly against your skin so that it'll start working. After, select your level with the power button, and then you move on to the ready button here and you double click. So the green light starts beeping like this and it's ready for the treatment. In each zone, move the device in a circular motion. When the level indicator light turns blue, you'll hear a beeping sound. This is when the treatment window emits the laser. It works continuously, so there is no need to press any buttons during the use. Just one note, don't use it directly around your eyes, eyelids, or orbits. Overall, I think the treatment is quite comfortable. It doesn't hurt the skin or give you any pain or discomfort. Like this time, right after the treatment, my skin is not swelling or red. But if you feel like your skin has been red or itchy right after the treatment, especially in your first few uses, it is very common, and the redness will go away pretty quickly. I always recommend that you do it at night so that your skin will have a few more hours to recover. Trust me, start with low intensity level and your skin will get used to it really quickly, and there is no downtime. And one quick tip before you start your first use: if you are new to this type of device and it could be a little bit intimidating, but this brand is very thoughtful. It has a quick visual start guide for you to follow, and it shows all the detailed steps. It's quite easy just to follow the instructions to do your treatment, how to divide the zones, how to move in a circular motion in each zone. Sticking to the instruction is always the best and safest way for you to do a treatment and for you to get the best results. Depending on your goals and your skin concerns, you may customize your treatment plan, but it's recommended for you to use it 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks, and twice a week for the following 2 to 3 weeks, and then after 5 weeks, you can use it once a week. For me, I always like to use it as a part of my nighttime routine if it's a treatment day. Usually, I'll do it once or twice a week. This laser device works well for a lot of different things like large pores, pigmentation, acne scars, smile lines, etc. Okay, now let's talk about the results, and I have been consistently using it for at least 4 weeks now. My main focus has been my dark spots and my fine lines, and this is what I've been noticing so far. By week 4, I started to notice like faded dark spots. My skin feel like a little bit smoother overall. The improvement has been more noticeable. The fine lines are softer as well. Overall, the skin looks brighter, firmer, and more radiant. I know that DermRays Revive should be very effective on acne scars, things like that, but I don't have a lot of acne, so I won't be able to show you the results for acne scars. So if you have tried DermRays Revive for your acne scars, please feel free to leave your results, your progress in the comment section of this video. With all being said, I'm happy with DermRays Revive. I'm very happy with the progress so far. I will definitely continuously use DermRays in my routine and keep you guys updated. But I do want to mention that results, they take time. This isn't like a quick fix. It won't be noticeably different like overnight. If you're consistent and if you're patient, the payoff is totally worth it. But what makes DermRays Revive like different from others on the market? First of all, still is the technology. Thanks to the 1064 nanometer laser technology, this one is powerful enough to tackle skin concerns like dark spots, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. But it's still like gentle enough to be used like safely at home. So it's effective and gentle. It's also good for all skin types. Plus, it's clinically proven to improve the skin texture and complexion, evenness, etc. like over time, which is a big win, which makes it stand out. Another thing that I love about DermRays Revive is the convenience. I used to go to salons for my laser treatments. They were effective, I would say, but after switching to DermRays like at-home laser, I feel like I've saved so much time and cost. These days skincare, beauty, like this market has been saturated. I have tried so many different products at home, so many different devices, some of them that like really work for my skin, but a lot of them, they're not doing magic to the skin. That's why I always like to share effective but safe options for you to enjoy. I think DermRays Revive is one of them, highly recommended. Compared to a lot of like at-home cosmetic skincare products, this is very effective. But compared with injectables or surgical options for anti-aging, this is also like gentle. It's something in between that you can manage to do it at home, which is effective, but again, it's safe and gentle. It's like having a professional treatment option right in your bathroom, which is very comfortable, very accessible. It doesn't come with like a huge price tag or a downtime, which is very nice. So final thoughts. I am genuinely impressed by DermRays Revive skincare laser. It's such a great option for anyone who's dealing with fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, and pigmentation. If you've been thinking about investing in your skin, this device is something that's totally worth considering. If you're ready to give it a try this time, I have the device linked in the video description along with a promo code for you to get a discount. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and following me on this skincare journey. And I will continuously use DermRays Revive in my routine. I'll definitely keep you posted here on this channel. I will share more content with my progress, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried DermRays, or if you're thinking about it, or if you have any questions about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!